Alright, listen up. If you're serious about building real wealth through crypto, this is not the video you want to skip. While everyone's chasing hype coins and meme pumps, today I'm breaking down 3 powerful cryptos that actually have long-term upside through 2025 and beyond. These aren't just coins I'm watching, these are tokens with strong fundamentals, real-world use cases, and the potential to explode as the market matures. Whether you're just getting started or looking to level up your portfolio, this list could change the game for you. So grab your coffee, hit that like button, and let's dive into the top 3 cryptos to buy right now before the rest of the market catches on. Say is a high-performance Layer 1 blockchain purpose-built for decentralized trading and real-time digital asset exchange, leveraging parallel execution and a twin-turbo consensus for blazing fast transactions and ultra-low latency. With a modern architecture that targets scalability and speed, SEI is quickly gaining traction in DeFi circles and among high-frequency DEX users. In recent market dynamics, SEI is hovering around 19 cents, showing a mild uptick of approximately 3% over the past day. But the story behind this modest stability is far more compelling than raw numbers suggest. Technical analysts have flagged a potential inverse head and shoulders chart pattern forming in SEI's price graph, a classic bullish indicator. A report from a few weeks ago highlights this pattern as a significant sign of trend change, with experts projecting upside targets of $0.326 and even $0.392 if price breaks decisively above the neckline at around $0.2077. This kind of structural setup often precedes extended rallies, especially when backed by increased volume, and SEI appears to be positioning itself for just that. Meanwhile, broader sentiment forecasts paint an optimistic picture through 2025 and beyond. According to CoinCodex, SEI is anticipated to trade between 13 cents and 19 cents throughout 2025, averaging around $0.1487. Though they note July and August 2025 may bring 18 to 23% upside. Gate.com's outlook echoes this view, estimating an average 2025 value of approximately $0.186 with highs touching $0.265. Offering up to 129% total ROI potential by 2030. A broader forecast from Cryptopolitan goes further, projecting that SEI could reach as high as 38 cents by the close of 2025, with future milestones of 71 to 86 cents in 2027 and $2 to $2.48 by 2030. These are not vague dreams but carefully modeled estimates rooted in network growth, parallel processing adoption, and continued Layer 1 expansion. Ethereum, launched in 2015 by Vitalik Buterin and several co-founders, is a decentralized blockchain platform with a native token used to power smart contracts, DeFi, NFTs, and a vast ecosystem of decentralized apps. Exciting developments have put ETH back in the spotlight. After sliding to about $1,400 in April, it surged over 80% in just 2 months and closed May near $2,530. With momentum indicating a push toward $2,700 to $800 this June. Traders are bullish thanks to strength in scaling upgrades and a tightening supply dynamic, fueled in part by burning and staking trends. Institutional interest is pouring in through spot Ethereum ETFs. On June 6 alone, US-based ETH spot ETFs saw inflows of $25.2 million, marking 15 consecutive days of positive net inflows totaling around $281 million in a week and $837 million since launch in July 2024. If this continues, the ETF market could cross the $1 billion mark soon, putting price pressure on supply and driving demand. Looking ahead to mid-2025, detailed models paint various price landscapes. Changelly's forecast suggests ETH could average around $6,124 in 2025, with a range between $5,907 and $7,194. CoinX anticipates ETH hitting $3,000 to $3,200 by August 2025, climbing to $3,500 to $3,700 by December. ZepPay's analysis projects a peak beyond $5,500 this year, Even more ambitious projections come from Investing Haven, which foresees ETH reaching between $1,669 low and $4,905 high in 2025, stretching toward $5,950 under ideal conditions. Reddit traders envision even more dramatic outcomes, with some speculating ETH could climb to $6,000 to $10,000 depending on macro cycles. Meanwhile, industry analysts like Finder's Q1 crypto panel average a December 2025 price near $5,770. However, not all voices are bullish. Standard Chartered recently reduced its 2025 forecast by 60%, citing competitive pressures and declining revenue trends. Despite this, the weight of macro signals from ETF flows to ecosystem upgrades leans firmly bullish. Cubetics is a Layer 1 Web3 aggregator aiming to bridge Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana while offering DeFi wallet and decentralized VPN tech, an intriguing newcomer in the blockchain space. Currently trading at approximately $0.000000142 per token, the project stands at an embryonic stage with low liquidity but bold ambitions. Amid a year defined by resurging institutional interest, the US appears to be on the brink of embracing cryptocurrencies as part of its financial infrastructure. Barron's reports Circle Internet Group's IPO surged over 170%, underscoring the demand for regulated crypto vehicles and fueling renewed momentum across the broader crypto space. Analysts caution, however, that volatility and regulatory uncertainty still loom large. Meanwhile, SEC clarifications on staking and Texas's move to create a Bitcoin reserve signal a shifting landscape in crypto regulation. Ethereum stands to benefit as staking becomes legally recognized, while Solana and other high-throughput platforms attract long-term attention. Meanwhile, Cubetics remains speculative, but several forecasting platforms see moderate upside ahead. CoinL forecasts a 2025 high near $0.0000123, while Trading Beasts estimates Cubic might fluctuate between $0.000000135 and $0.000000150 this year. Gate.io sets a 2025 average near $0.000001418, with potential highs up to $0.000000163. Longer-term projections from Botsfolio suggest Cubic could reach between $0.0003 and $0.0006 in a bullish scenario 3 to 5 years out, though that would require meaningful adoption and network traction.